So whenever I imagine who orders and drinks a champagne cocktail, for some reason, the Monopoly man with his monocle, or maybe even somebody from The Great Gatsby comes to mind. If you take into the history into consideration of this drink, it was created even before 1855. So if you're using champagne as kind of the backbone of this drink, you're already probably starting from a place of excess. You probably got some money to throw around. And now you're going to change it by adding sugar and bitters. So yeah, very, very excessive back in the day for this kind of drink. But if you're looking to add another champagne-based cocktail to the list of drinks that you can make, this is a good one. It's really nice. The champagne isn't really meant to sweeten the cocktail, but is meant to give the champagne a platform for bubble formation, and that's kind of the whole point of this drink, that and the aromatic quality of the bitters. So yeah, definitely give it a try. Now, there are a couple of variations of this cocktail that we see through history, including shaking this cocktail, pouring it over ice, and the addition of cognac. Now, all of these sound like great personal preferences, except for shaking the champagne. That just sounds like a terrible idea. But here we go, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to make the champagne cocktail. The first thing you're going to do in order to make a champagne cocktail, it's going to sound strange, but you're going to put a napkin on top of a champagne flute. To that, you're going to put a cube of sugar on top, and you're going to add a couple of dashes onto the sugar cube. And the napkin is really meant to kind of absorb any extra moisture from the bitters. Next, you're going to go ahead and drop the bitters into the champagne flute, and then very slowly add some sparkling wine into the flute as well. Now, this is probably going to foam up a lot on you, but just take your time, add a little bit at a time, and kind of go from there. The final step is to add a little bit of citrus oil right across the top. This is also going to help knock down some of that foam as well. But that is how you make the champagne cocktail. Cheers, everyone.